spacious detached villa built on plot of 1,500 square meters at about 600 meters from shops and amenities in Torre delle Stelle and from the fabulous beach of Genn'e Mari, one of the best beaches of southeast Sardinia. This spacious accommodation is composed of large dining living room, kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, one of which en suite, and veranda on the ground floor. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 1 storage room and a garage on the lower ground floor. The villa is ideal for beach and privacy lovers and it is suitable under Italian law to be used as a B&B. Perfect both as a holiday home and as rental investment with possibility of excellent rental income. Given the area in which the property and its size is set, the price is extremely good. Do not miss it.
We're asking everyone we meet.